Hey everyone, Trainboy70 here. Today I'm doing an unboxing of Tomy Plarail CGI Thomas. I got a Tomy Plarail CGI Thomas for my birthday. So here's Thomas inside the packaging, along with his two coaches, Annie and Credible. Credible is hiding behind it there. I know you can't see her, but I'll get her out after I check the packaging of Tomy Plarail CGI Thomas. So here's the front. The top. Side. The other side. The bottom. Here's what Tomy CGI Thomas and Incredible looks like. Here we have Thomas and Incredible. And the back, it shows how to put a battery inside Tomy Plarail Thomas. And now, let's unbox Tomy Plarail CGI Thomas. Here we have Credible, Annie, and Thomas. Hey, well. There we go. Here they come. Here they are. Let's look at them. So first up, one of my favorite #1 tank engine, Thomas the Tank Engine. So here's the front, side, the back, the other side, and the top. So what do you think of this CGI Thomas? Let me know in the comments down below. I have more Tomy and Trackmaster Thomas the Tank Engine. Maybe I will do the comparison video of the Thomas the Tank Engine someday. So let's move on to Thomas's two coaches and Incredible. First up is Annie. So here's the front, side, the back, the other side, and the top. And next up, Credible. So here's the front, side, the back, the other side, and the top. So what do you think about Thomas's two coaches, Annie and Credible? Let me know in the comments down below. I have more Annie and Credible, well, you know, like Tomy and Trackmaster. Maybe I would do the comparison video to Annie and Credible someday, along with the Tomy and Trackmaster one. So stay tuned for that. And now let's get Thomas a battery. He needs AA batteries. I got one. See? Now let's put the battery inside. Let's see he wants well. Well, what do you know? CGI Thomas wants well. There we go. Let's see Thomas wants well. Wow. CGI Thomas wants well. And now let's get Thomas a test one. Well, what do you know? CGI Thomas wants well on the track. Well, that is a great test run with Tomy Plarail CGI Thomas. So what do you think of this video? Let me know in the comments down below. Well guys, that's it for this video. Send a comment, press the button, and subscribe to my channel. And we'll see you in the next video.